Good evening mga brad. Of course, kailangan natin magpapawis. Ang dami natin kinaing liempo. Nasaan ba tayo ngayon? Nandito tayo sa Marikina Sports Complex. Huwag ka mag-alala, 3 ikot pa lang ako. Done na ako. Okay, so, but you know what, I was running kanina. Talaga na-realize ko yung mga sinasabi sa Bible ni Apostol Pablo sa 1 Corinthians 9, ano? That everyone runs the race, but only one will get the prize. And sabi niya, ang encouragement niya, run to get the prize. Alam niyo po, dito sa race called life, maraming i-offer si Taning, si Satanas, yung enemy. Marami siya i-offer na mga detour, marami siya i-offer na mga dead ends, marami siya i-offer na alternative na finish line. Pero hindi naman yon ang finish line na gusto ni Lord sa atin. Minsan gusto natin maging maayos yung finish line natin in our marriage. Si Satan will offer premarital sex. You can enjoy the benefit ng marriage even without the wedding ring. Pero shortcuts yan. Huwag mong papatusin yan, okay? So sometimes, sasabihin ni Satan, you can get the prize dito sa business. Mag-under the table ka, mandaya ka sa tax. But nope. We want to finish the race. We want to finish strong. We want to finish with integrity. Kaya when we run the race, let's put in mind that we want to finish the race and we want to get the prize. At sabi nga ni Paul doon, runners run for the prize that will eventually begun, yung mga trophies and medals, but we run with the reward in mind na something that's eternal. So guys, let's run the race. Ano pa hinihintay natin? Tapusin ko na to. Ilang kilometro na lang to mga kapatid. Alright, God bless you. This is Pastor Jeff, your Daily Brad.